Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's lesson is about uppercase, lowercase, letter J. We will identify how to write it, how to pronounce its sound, and vocabulary words. So let's start. How to write it, capital and small, letter J. Are you ready? Let's start. Start from the first line, come straight down, turn the loop, make sleeping line. It will make capital J. It will make capital J. Start from second line, come straight down, little bit turn, put a dot on the top. It will make small j. The letter name is J. The sound of J is J. J, J, juice. J, J, juice. J, J, juice. The letter name is J. The sound of J is J. The sound of J is J. J, J, J. Joker. J, J, J. Jet. J, J, J. Jacket. J, J, J. Jacket. J, J, J. Juice. 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 Very good. Now, joyfulness. Take a deep breath and smile wide like this. Now, it's story time. The Joker wore a colorful jacket. He flew his jet to the show. He was greeted with juice. The juice put smile on his face. Okay, I hope so you enjoyed this lecture a lot and you will teach with a happy face happily at home. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.